The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Modified makes a commanding first impression, showcasing an aggressive and daring exterior design that is hard to ignore. The bold front grille immediately draws attention, with its intricate detailing and oversized proportions emphasizing the truck's presence. Flanked by sleek LED headlamps, the grille seamlessly integrates modern aesthetics with a sense of ruggedness, embodying the Silverado's dual purpose as both a luxury vehicle and a workhorse. The grille and lighting design combine to create a distinct and recognizable silhouette, ensuring the truck turns heads wherever it goes. Body modifications further enhance the Silverado's road dominance. Custom paint jobs, often featuring eye-catching metallic finishes or matte accents, highlight the vehicle's muscular body lines. These lines not only improve aerodynamics, but also lend the Silverado a sense of purpose and power. Complementing these visual upgrades are bespoke body kits that include widened fenders, aggressive bumpers, and bold side skirts. These enhancements contribute to a cohesive design that feels both contemporary and commanding. Riding on larger, custom alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the Silverado Modified is well prepared for diverse terrains. The aggressive stance is further emphasized by a lifted suspension, giving the truck increased ground clearance and an imposing road presence. Whether cruising through urban streets or tackling rugged trails, the 2026 Silverado Modified's exterior design is a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to bold innovation. Luxurious interior, where comfort meets functionality. Once inside the 2026 Silverado Modified, the focus shifts from rugged aesthetics to luxurious comfort. The cabin is a harmonious blend of premium materials and functional design, ensuring that drivers and passengers feel at ease during every journey. High-quality leather upholstery, available in custom colors and stitching patterns, adorns the seats and door panels, offering a tactile experience that exudes sophistication. Soft touch materials, combined with brushed metal and wood grain accents, further elevate the cabin's visual appeal. Space is one of the Silverado's standout features, with generous headroom, legroom, and shoulder room ensuring comfort for all occupants. The modified version adds even more to this spaciousness by including storage solutions like underseat compartments and expanded center consoles. These thoughtful touches make the Silverado a practical choice for families, adventurers, and professionals alike. Additionally, the layout ensures that every feature is easily accessible, creating an intuitive and user-friendly environment. The technology suite within the cabin is equally impressive. A state-of-the-art infotainment system serves as the centerpiece, boasting a large touchscreen interface compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Custom ambient lighting allows passengers to set the mood, whether it's a calming blue for long night drives or a vibrant red to energize a morning commute. Combined with an upgraded sound system, the Silverado's interior provides an immersive experience that rivals luxury sedans. Power and performance. A beast on wheels. Beneath the hood, the 2026 Silverado Modified is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering an impressive balance of horsepower and torque. This powerhouse ensures that the truck can handle any challenge, from towing heavy loads to conquering off-road trails. Paired with a responsive transmission system, the engine offers seamless acceleration and reliable performance in diverse driving conditions. The Silverado's powertrain is engineered to inspire confidence, whether cruising on highways or navigating rugged landscapes. Towing capacity remains a hallmark of the Silverado lineup, and the modified version continues this tradition with enhancements that push the limits. Equipped with advanced towing technologies, the truck simplifies the process of hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. Features such as trailer sway control, integrated trailer braking, and dynamic hitch assist ensure that even novice drivers can handle towing with ease. This combination of power and intelligent features positions the Silverado as a leader in its class. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Silverado Modified impresses. Despite its powerful engine and enhanced capabilities, The truck incorporates fuel-saving technologies that optimize performance without compromising strength. This balance makes the Silverado an excellent choice for those who demand both efficiency and power in their vehicles. Advanced technology and safety features. Modern trucks are expected to deliver more than just raw performance, and the 2026 Silverado Modified does not disappoint. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the truck ensures that drivers and passengers stay connected, informed, and safe. The centerpiece of its tech offerings is a comprehensive driver assist suite that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only make driving easier, but also significantly enhance safety by providing real-time feedback and alerts. Connectivity options abound within the Silverado Modified. The advanced infotainment system allows for seamless integration with smartphones, enabling users to access navigation, music, and communication apps effortlessly. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and Wi-Fi hotspots cater to the needs of modern users, ensuring that everyone remains connected, even on long journeys. Voice recognition capabilities further enhance convenience, allowing drivers to control various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Safety is prioritized through features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work in tandem to create a safer driving environment, reducing the likelihood of accidents. The Silverado Modified also includes reinforced structural elements that provide added protection in the event of a collision. This comprehensive approach to safety underscores Chevrolet's commitment to delivering a reliable and secure vehicle, versatility for work and leisure. The 2026 Silverado Modified is designed to cater to a wide range of needs, making it equally adept as a professional tool and a leisure vehicle. For work, the truck offers an array of practical features that enhance productivity. The expansive truck bed is equipped with custom storage solutions, including lockable compartments and bed liners that protect against wear and tear. Additionally, the tailgate is designed with integrated steps and assist handles, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. For recreational users, the Silverado Modified excels with its off-road capabilities. The lifted suspension and all-terrain tires enable it to tackle challenging trails, while skid plates protect the undercarriage from damage. Advanced off-road driving modes further enhance the truck's performance on uneven terrain, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride even in the most demanding conditions. Whether it's a weekend camping trip or a cross-country adventure, the Silverado is ready for any challenge. Comfort features for leisure activities include a premium sound system and climate-controlled seats, ensuring that every journey is enjoyable. The truck also boasts ample interior storage for gear, making it a versatile option for those who lead active lifestyles. By blending practicality with luxury, the Silverado Modified proves that a truck can be both tough and accommodating. Customization options. Make it your own. One of the standout aspects of the 2026 Silverado Modified is the extensive range of customization options available. Chevrolet offers a variety of factory-installed upgrades, allowing buyers to tailor their truck to suit their personal style and needs. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior trims, the possibilities are virtually endless. For those seeking even greater personalization, aftermarket modifications provide additional opportunities to enhance the Silverado's performance and aesthetics. Popular choices include performance exhaust systems, custom suspension setups, and upgraded lighting packages. These modifications not only improve functionality, but also give the truck a distinctive look that reflects its owner's personality. Custom wheels and tire packages are another popular option, allowing drivers to optimize their truck for specific use cases. Whether prioritizing off-road performance or on-road comfort, the Silverado can be equipped to excel in any scenario. By offering such a wide range of customization options, Chevrolet ensures that every Silverado Modified is as unique as its owner. Final verdict: a leader in its class. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Modified is a remarkable vehicle that excels in every category. From its bold exterior design to its luxurious and functional interior, The truck is a testament to innovation and craftsmanship. Its powerful performance capabilities, combined with advanced technology and safety features, make it a standout choice for both work and leisure. Whether you're in need of a reliable partner for heavy-duty tasks or a stylish and comfortable ride for daily commutes, the Silverado Modified delivers on all fronts. It's a vehicle that embodies versatility, allowing it to meet the diverse needs of modern drivers. With its impressive blend of style, performance, and technology, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Modified is poised to redefine the standards of the truck segment.